I thought these cameras were security cameras. They're actually a live stream back to the Andy Warhol Museum, and you can also tune into it online. That's pretty wild that they can see people coming to visit the grave like that. Today we're just outside of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania to find the grave of pop artist Andy Warhol. He was the guy that coined the phrase, "In the future, everyone will be famous for 15 minutes." He did the banana for the Velvet Underground record cover. He also did the famous Marilynmonroe pop art, as you can see here. Andy did many of his silk screens and movies at his studio called The Factory in New York City, aka the Silver Factory, after they covered all the walls with aluminum foil and silver spray paint. In 1968, he was shot by actress and radical feminist Valerie Salonis. Born August 6, 1928. Died February 22nd, 1987. His real name is Andy Warhol, where you can see his parents are behind him here. Father Andrew and Mother Julia. And even though I wasn't the first person to do this, I wanted to leave a few mementos of my own in appreciation for all the great pop art over the years. I also want to leave a magnet to my YouTube channel right there, and I'll put the chicken noodle soup, not tomato, yuck. It's under the chicken noodle soup. So if you find my magnet, leave a comment below and feel free to take it with you. All right, thanks for watching another one tank trip of my famous grave series here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Pop artist Andy Warhol right here. Pretty cool.